welcome to my channel Nehal's Kitchen. Today we are going to make aloo samosas. The aloo samosas that I am going to make is going to be made crispy and tasty. So please watch the video till end so that you follow the tips and get the samosas as I got. So let's not make it late and let's get started with this recipe. So take a bowl and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Now add half teaspoon of salt and give it a mix. Now add 1/4 cup of melted ghee. Adding ghee will help you with no formation of bubbles outside and gives you a good taste. Now mix it until the ghee gets mixed with the maida. So when you make a ball, it must get bind like this. Now add water gradually and knead it into a stiff dough. Like this. Now after kneading, cover it for 20 minutes. Now for the stuffing, take 4 boiled potatoes. Now take a pan and heat it and add 2 teaspoons of oil. After the oil gets heated, add 1 inch grated ginger, 2 finely chopped green chilies and fry them. Fry them until the raw smell goes off. Now add green peas. You can add them up to half cup. Now fry it for 2 minutes. After frying it for 2 minutes, smash the boiled potatoes and add it to the pan. After adding all the potatoes, make sure there are no big pieces and then mix it. Now add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, half teaspoon of amchur powder. I added half teaspoon of salt because I added some salt while boiling the potatoes. If you don't add salt, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now give it a good mix and saute it for 4 to 5 minutes. After sauteing it for 4 to 5 minutes, add some kajus. These are optional. After adding them, just saute it for 10 to 20 seconds and then turn off the stove. After you turn off the stove, add the mixture to a bowl so that it cools down fastly. Now coming back to the dough, knead it for a few seconds. Now make a ball like this and make a oval shaped roti. No need to apply flour because it already contains ghee and will not stick to the surface. Make an oval roti like this. Now cut it into half and take one of the half and apply 1 drop of water to the half of the half roti and fold it into a cone. We are using water like gum here. And fold it into a cone like this. Now add the stuffing. And now apply water to all the sides. And make a fold like this. Now press it and press it like this in a samosa shape. Now make all samosas like this. I had some leftover dough, so I'm making a snack. So you can cut the made roti on the 4 sides to make a square. Now cut them into small squares. Now take them off to a plate. Now take a kadai and pour enough oil for deep fry and heat it. After the oil gets heated, add the samosas. Deep fry them only in medium flame. They will change their color slowly. After they get to a light brown color, take them off to a plate. Now, after frying all the samosas, add the squares that we have made. And fry them until they get light brown color. You will get awesome taste with this snack too. As we already added salt in the dough, it comes absolutely delicious. They will come crunchy too. Now our samosas are ready. And the squares are ready too. See how crunchy they came. Our samosas have come very crunchy too. See how crunchy and how tasty it looks. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Nehal's Kitchen.